If you have had a baby recently that has outgrown his or her furniture, there is a way that you can repurpose that furniture and turn it into new and exciting things. Before we begin, please check the description area first. There are listed links to original project and tutorial that exist in this video. Here, brilliant repurposing projects for changing tables. 1. DIY bedroom storage. What better way to repurpose that old changing table than to turn it into extra storage? An old changing table makes the perfect place to display photos or hold quilts, whatever you need it for. 2. DIY Lego Table IKEA Hack. I do love IKEA hacks, and this is one of my favorites. You can turn an ordinary white changing table from IKEA into the most adorable Lego table for your little ones. 3. Quick and simple toy car garage. You can instantly turn that unused changing table into the perfect place to park your little boys' cars and trucks. 4. Repurposed changing table desk. Turn that old changing table into a cute little desk where your little ones can do their homework. I love the idea of furniture growing with children, and this is the perfect example. 5. DIY play kitchen from changing table. An old-fashioned changing table can easily be converted into a play kitchen for your little girl, or turn it into a play tool station for little boys. 6. DIY play shop / lemonade stand. When your little ones get older and you no longer need a changing table, you can convert it into a cute little play shop or a lemonade stand for when they want to make their own money. 7. Repurposed changing table console table. Turn that changing table into a gorgeous console table that you can display in the living room or entryway. The shelves give you so much room for displaying pictures and other decor, and this is a really easy transition. 8. DIY rolling beverage station. When you no longer need a changing table, turn it into a rolling beverage station. This is a great repurposing project if you love entertaining, and this makes the perfect bar or beverage station for your deck. 9. DIY Ice Cream Parlor. I love the idea of turning a changing table into an ice cream parlor for toddlers. This is a simple transition and one that will definitely thrill your little ones. 10. DIY dog crate and bedside table. This is the most creative use of an old changing table that I have ever seen. You can turn an old changing table into a bedside table for the bedroom, and it has a dog crate built right in. 11. Repurposed changing table into driving dresser. This dresser for little boys is so creative, and it's pretty easy to make from an old changing table. If you have a solid table that has drawers and not just open shelving, this is the perfect repurposing project. 12. DIY entertainment center. This entertainment center made from an old changing table is perfect for holding all of your media supplies. I love the use of baskets and shelving. 13. Gorgeous DIY entryway table. Just a coat of paint or stain will turn that unused changing table into a gorgeous and functional entryway table for holding all sorts of things. 14. Decorative DIY garden cart. This repurposed changing table garden cart is really creative, and it is the perfect addition to your porch or deck. You don't even have to do much to turn your old baby changing table into a garden cart. 15. Repurposed changing table reading nook. I have to admit, I love to read, and I love nothing more than having a place for peace and quiet when I do so, which is why I really love this changing table turned reading nook. 16. Food serving cart. You can also turn a small changing table into a serving cart that really helps when you throw those amazing dinner parties. This is also a great plant stand for the kitchen or dining room when you don't need it for serving. 17. DIY cat perch. Do you make your own DIY dog toys? How about something for the cat? If you have a cat, or multiple cats, then you know just how important it is to have a place for them to perch. 18. Repurposed changing table window seat. I adore this changing table that has been repurposed into a window seat. The sides are so awesome, and this really is a wonderful way to repurpose a changing table that you no longer need. 19. DIY laptop cart. You can quickly and easily turn an old changing table into a mini desk or laptop cart that is perfect for when you just need to quickly check your emails, or update yourself on the directions of your latest DIY project. 20. DIY bathroom storage. I don't know about you, but I never seem to have enough bathroom storage. Those towels just take up so much room.